In 2025 Smart India Hackathon, our team AI Avengers addressed the problem of crop recommendation for farmers under the theme of agriculture, food tech, and rural development. Our idea is a smart crop advisory platform which provides personalized crop and sowing guidance, AI pest diagnosis, and real time weather and government schemes updates, resources, support for seeds and irrigation, and even community helplines for farmer to farmer learning. Unique value proportions of the platform is standouts with real time weather and market analysis, AI crop recommendations, multilingual voice assistants, and dynamic crop calendar that provides weekly reminders for better yields. Problem resolution. Problems are solved through AI pest doctors, voice assistants, financial tools, market analysis, and government schemes alerts. Accessibility is enhanced through the multilingual and localized support. The technical approach we followed is the technical backbone includes Flutter and React Native for mobile apps, Node.js and Fast API for backend services, Cloud and AWS for hosting, and integration with market, weather, and government APIs. Data security is ensured with end to end encryption. The process flow for the user connects the farmer from the centralized platform where data is analyzed and returned to the practical advice, alerts, and recommendation in real time. Feasibility and viability. The solution of the feasible to today's AI models and cloud technologies. Financially viable through the scalable low cost deployment and high impactful due to growing farmers' demand. Challenges like low digital literacy and poor connectivity to address it with voice first multilingual design and offline SMSs alert. Impacts and benefits. The impacts includes better soil health. The impact includes better soil health, reduced crop losses, improved financial planning, efficient farm management, market intelligence, digital empowerment, and more effective policies outcomes. The researches and references we taken from for this is our research is drawn from the reliable sources like Soil Health Card Portal, NAM, Google AI and in agriculture, TensorFlow models, Gemini AI and ChatGPT. A demo app link is also available for live testing. Conclusion. Farm Seva and a smart advisory are designed to empower farmers with AI driven insights, financial tools, and real time support, helping them not to just survive but thrive.
Our demo app Farm Seva, which we are planning to build in future. The now when we click on the link, we can it is open like a login page with Google account or email ID and password. As we have built a demo app, we haven't added any mobile registration with mobile number. So after clicking on that, it will go to that farm setup details. In that farm setup details, we need to fill up our name, phone number, and preferred language. And we have entered 12 different languages in it. And we need to enter our farm size. As I entered my name and mobile number, and I choose my preferred language is as English, and my farm size is 5 acres. And we need to select our farm location also. It's a state of Andhra Pradesh and district of Nellore. My village name is Atmakur. As I enter the data and there is a button, as I have clicked on the next button, it can clearly visible that soil health. It's that inputs we need to give to our app to analyze that details, and it will recommend our crop recommendations. It will suggest the crop to us. Here you can clearly see that if we don't have soil test results, it will show that as a caution in red mark. It will show that call soil test lab 1800 soil test, and it will cost for 10 to 100 to 200 rupees per soil test. As I have mentioned, as I have soil test results, so it's showing like soil type, pH value, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc and carbon. As I have entered a random value because I don't have the soil type soil result with me, so I just entered a random value to it, and I have completed my farm setup. And if you go to the crop practices, it's also one step. Final step of farm setup, In this, we need to select the cropping system, soil sustainable index, and irrigation facilities. As I mentioned, multi-cropping and medium moderate practices. I have drip irrigation and canal water and bore wells also. As I clicked on next step, it will go to that desktop page, a dashboard. Here I can clearly see that the temperature, humidity, rainfall, and farm health, and we can clearly here see that Terra AI chat, financial planning, and crop calendar, and AI recommendation over there. As we click on that, we can here clearly see that farm setup, AI recommendation engine, weather analysis, financial planning, market analysis, government schemes, Terra AI chat, and crop calendar. As we click on that AI recommendation engine, it will analyze that soil result which we have given to it, and it will analyze that location, rainfall, humidity, each and everything data it will be analyzed, and it will suggest us that crops which we need to go through it for that. And it will show that a personalized fertilizer plan, because in our soil that it's showing like apply per acre of urea in two split doses to enhance nitrogen level. As I have mentioned that nitrogen level and phosphorus level on that the data which I have given to it, it will analyze the data, and it will suggest us the fertilizers plants to increase the soil fertility level and to maintain a constant fertility level, and it should not lose that fertility level of the soil, and it will enhance the soil fertility level for the future purposes also. And next to the financial planning, in financial planning it will show the total investment, expected income, and rate of investment and break even. As we are planning to build this app to even the many of the farmers are getting losses in agriculture. So we are planning this app to break even the income of the farmers, and not to get into the loss. We cannot say that it will purely agriculture. It will try to break even the price. In market analysis, we have to select the crop. As I have selected the rice and time period last 3 years, and the time period is varies as 5 years and 3 months, 2 months, etc. As the data is analyzing market analysis, as current average price is 3,920 per quinta, and yearly high and yearly low. It will show that the peak price of that crop and the minimum price of that crop. As here we get the graph of that crop analysis, average price and highest price and lowest price overall chance is plus 37.5%. As we get each and every month data over there as our suggestions, and yearly suggestions as 1 year in February to next year February. And we can go through the government schemes. In government schemes we haven't added any schemes in it, as this was the demo app. And we can go to the Terra AI. Here we can ask any of the questions to it. As I have asking question, what if my plant is having yellow leaves?
Hello Gadam Ramananda Sagar Reddy. It's great to hear from you. Yellow leaves on plants can be a sign of several issues, but don't worry, we can figure this out together. Here are some common causes and what you can do. 1. Nutrient deficiency asterisk. Yellow leaves may indicate a lack of essential nutrients, especially nitrogen.
To select it for plant diagnosis, we can select that, and we can choose the gallery for the photo of that crop, or we can go through that camera axis, and it will analysis, and it will assist us with the voice. And here our crop calendar. In this, it will suggest that when to sow the seeds for fertilizers and etc. As it's generating the calendar, we can see it here. As it is generated, we can see the today tasks, fertilizers prior to sowing, and we can go to the next 1 week, and we can move to weekly wise data over there, and it will suggest that when to check the pests, and everything is shown here, and it will show that tasks today and everything data. This is the app which we have to build for the farmers, for the sake of farmers to.
Here I explain about Farm Seva and its key features and future enhancements. In SmartNet Hackathon 2025, we are solving the problem title with based on AI-based crop recommendation for farmers under the theme Agriculture, Food Tech and Rural Development. We have identified the problem from the farmers, that is, the Indian farmers face tough challenges in unpredictable rainfall and extreme weather, soil degradation and fluctuating of market prices. and limited access to the expert guidance. These factors reduce productivity and profitability, creating and pressing need for modern solution. Here we came up the solution with AI powered mobile app that delivers a smart crop recommendations, real time weather and market alerts, AI pest diagnosis and even built-in financial planner. Farm Seva helps farmers to make informed data driven decisions that improves yield and ensures sustainability. Technology stack used. We used Flutter and React Native for the building of app. And the backend server we used Fast API and Python for building the backend server. For the database we used Node.js and Firebase authentications. For cloud and infrastructure we use Google Cloud and Amazon Web Softwares. We integrated APIs and externals using from AgriMarket API, Bhuvan APIs, and Cloud Firestore. The security is up to end-to-end encryption. This is the input flow by the farmer. Farmer gives his details. Our app analyzes weather, market, government schemes, and communities, and the data process takes place, and the output is crop recommendation, pest detections, alerts, and the crop calendar, budget planner, AI assistant, and scheme alerts. They are continuous learning from the app. Here are the demo images of the app. First, the farmer uses it to log in using the mobile number and the OTP and enters his details. The dashboard opens with profile, crop calendar, and AI assistant. Then in the dashboard, he shows about his soil status, AI crop suggestions, weather forecast, financial planner, and market analysis. And the government schemes which he is eligible is already applicable through the APIs, and here it displays. The next he goes to the crop calendar. Daily priorities and the weekly priorities are shown in that for better yielding and better crop irrigation. We added the AI assistant named Terra AI, which can detect the pest and diagnose it and gives the pest control recommendation and any doubts to the farmer in growing the crops or farming, which can take help from the Terra AI. It is having a many AI features that can enhance the farming in an empowering way. Here are the key features of Farm Seva. That is, it is available in 12 languages. It has AI crop recommendations and market recommendations through our app. The real-time weather and market alerts are also given through our app. There are financial tools and investment planner to enhance the farmer about the cropping annual income and the expenditures. There is also a dynamic crop calendar which enhance him in the daily priorities and the weekly priorities. The future enhancements, we are going to provide a long-term weather forecast nearly about the 4 months and the historical crop price graphs and market demand forecasts, multi-cropping and horticulture recommendations, and AI pest doctor with image recognition and also using the drone technologies. The farmer experiences are here. The first voice assistant, that is Terra AI, which can easily communicate with the farmer, and the weekly AI check-ins, knowledge hub, which can share the knowledge about the new farming methods and the cultivation methods. Then there is a community hub for the farmer to farmer learning, and another community hub for farmers to traders communication. And we are also accepting the partnerships. Here are the advanced tools which are fully financial plannings for 1 year, and the real-time mandi prices. For every minute we can change the prices as per the market analysis and the market data. There are also investment planner for the farmer as how much he wants to invest. There is also a one-step ecosystem and the government integration, auto match subsidies and grants, and automated scheme updates, government scheme alerts, and he has also a benefit of knowing the government schemes below the due date. The tech and infrastructure is also used as offline first support and cloud native microservices, SIH-25030 encryption, and GDPR compliances. Conclusion: our Farm Seva is a digital farming companion, smart, profitable, sustainable decisions, and one-step ecosystem which can integrate farmer with AI, which easily can suggest the farmers.